commonly used short forms. The R short form is for any alkyl or organic branch, and so this is a very common placeholder. So for example, you take your generally simple looking tetrahedral geometry and you replace one of the hydrogens with an R group. Of course, that R group can be anything. For example, it could be a CH3 methyl group. And so if we were to draw that methyl group in here, it would look like this. And that's the complete molecule. It's ethane. We could have PH, right? Phenyl or benzene. So if we were to say pH is here, that would be equivalent to having a benzene ring as a substituent to this carbon tetrahedral center. You could also draw in all the carbon-hydrogen bonds, or you could simplify the structure greatly and do a line structure where the benzene ring is drawn with no carbon-hydrogen bonds, and this carbon, these two carbon atoms are connected as one simple line, and again, no carbon-hydrogen